Many marriages end in divorce because of financial problems. Frequently, this occurs because couples make bad choices before the wedding or soon thereafter. Those bad choices then haunt them and create recurring marital conflicts. Therefore, I offer the following suggestions to help couples develop financial plans to carry them throughout their marriage and into retirement. Number 4, live on less and save. Financial success will be impossible if you and your spouse regularly spend your paycheck on electronic gadgets, designer fashions, and expensive cars. This kind of spending will severely strain your finances and siphon away money you could use to fuel a savings program or accumulate enough money to buy a new home, rental property, or start your own business. To get ahead financially, you must establish a lifestyle that will always leave enough discretionary income to save, invest, and give away to others in their time of need. Your basic savings program may include the following savings accounts. A. Major Purchases Fund. This savings account should be a liquid account to replace worn-out refrigerators, washing machines, cars, and so forth. B. Emergency Fund. This account can be a hedge against job layoffs and union strikes. This account should be liquid, with at least 3 months of living expenses, plus money for supporting your local church so you can continue to seed for your financial harvesting. C. Retirement Fund. Ask your employer about company-sponsored pension plans and 401k plans. I strongly urge you to consider the benefits of these employer-sponsored programs. If your employer does not provide a retirement program, you should contact several reliable financial institutions and brokerage firms about an individual retirement account, or commonly called an IRA. If you're self-employed, you should contact financial institutions and brokerage firms for information about SEPs, or Simplified Employment Pension Programs, and KIOs. D. Education Fund. This savings account can be available to educate children and or to provide continuing education opportunities for the breadwinner.